two aircraft approaching their target, the proper point, the lead solar will call action. The aircraft will maneuver to that so they can pop up on different climb angles and roll in on a ground target from different directions. Aircraft mechanic, Dietrich and Copley Henry. If you'd like to see photos of this and other shows run by the Skytypers, check out their website at www.skytyping.com. While you're doing that, if you want to check out the latest on the O.J. Simpson situation, you can also do that at www.ojs///escape. They went by that time, ladies and gentlemen. Directly in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, in the big Delta formation, once again, the Skytypers. And watch this, ladies and gentlemen, as they fan out for the big fan break. Give a big wave over there from Farmingdale, the Skytypers. Again, big thanks to the USO Central Venue, the Commonwealth National Golf Club, Sam's Club, the Kentucky Air Show Club for a free But right now, ladies and gentlemen, in the sky, that's Mr. Frank Ryder in the RXXL. He'll put it into a big, beautiful barrel roll, and he'll exit out to the left, and he'll actually start his air show as he comes back in from left to right. Now, Frank Ryder is in Louisiana, formerly known as New Orleans. Meaning a little something extra. Watch at the top of this loop. He's going to give us the lanyard. Right on top, he'll throw in an extra 360 degrees of aileron roll. 360 degrees of roll, and he'll finish that 360 degrees of vertical arc. Now watch closely, Dan McLaren, up on the cycle because upside down. Now, 4.5 trying to throw Frank out of the cockpit. Only that 7-point straight system in a small plastic velcro keeping him from going to the plexiglass canopy. As he comes down the hill, he's outside, inside 8. And he'll exit out. He comes in. You'll listen to the Pratt & Whitney 500 horsepower engine. We call this maneuver Rolling Thunder. Like sideways to the heaven, we call this the Skyler Slider. Right here, he kicks full rudder pedal. He slides sideways through the heavens on that climbing up line. But gravity's going to win this game, putting that big 500 horsepower Pratt wind engine back pointed to the earth. Then he'll exit stage right. 2, 3, 4 to the inverted, 6, oops, back to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very much for a very precise 8.1 as a victory roll. 45 degrees nose high. 4 across the top. 1G hanging in the strap. Now things will start to happen fast as he starts coming downhill. The cracks in the runway get bigger very quickly. There's 6, 7, 10, 8. The bridge.
Hunter, watch him.
Okay, vertical, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm scared. No. You're not going
We're hanging.
Here.
Oh, airspeed's negative.
Here.
Quick.
Come in front of Amanda.
Well, there you heard it, folks. Right there, live from the cockpit. It's Frank Ryder in the Oryx Cyclone.